Today, I'll show you how to undo in Microsoft Planner. First, open Microsoft Planner in your browser, or open your Planner board inside Microsoft Teams. Sign in with the Microsoft account you use for your work or school organization. Now open the plan where you were working. In Microsoft Planner, there is usually no full undo button, like you may see in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. So, if you move a task, change a due date, edit a title, or update a label, you may need to manually change it back. For example, if you moved a task to the wrong bucket, click and hold the task card, then drag it back to the correct bucket. If you change the task progress by mistake, open the task card. Find the progress option, then change it back to not started, in progress, or completed, depending on what it was before. If you changed the due date by mistake, open the task again. Click the due date field and choose the correct date. If you assigned the wrong person, open the task and check the Assigned to section. Remove the wrong person and add the correct one. If you changed a label by mistake, open the task card and click the label again to turn it off, or select the correct label. If you deleted a checklist item or changed a description, Planner may not always let you undo it automatically. In that case, you may need to type the information again. If you deleted an entire task by mistake, check if Planner shows a confirmation message or recovery option right after deletion. If there is no recovery option, you may need to recreate the task manually. To recreate it, click Add Task, type the task name, then add the details again, such as due date, assignee, checklist, labels, notes, and attachments. If your plan is connected to Microsoft Teams, you can also check the Teams conversation or activity history if your team discussed the task there. For attachments, check the connected SharePoint or OneDrive location. The file may still be saved there, even if the task was changed or removed. To avoid problems in the future, make major changes carefully. You can also export your plan to Excel or copy important tasks before making big updates. So, to keep it simple, Microsoft Planner does not usually have a normal undo button. To undo a mistake, open the task and manually change the information back, or recreate the task if it was deleted. And that's how you undo in Microsoft Planner. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.